Okay, it's our sport.
Thanks for that, Patrick. Let's check finance now. And a stellar run has pushed the Australian stock market to a 10-month high, thanks to strong company results. The ASX 200 was up 8 points. Qantas led the charge. The airline's big profit sent shares up 13 cents. Property developer Lend-Lease gained 18, while Santos jumped 44 cents. Locally, a mixed bag. Bank of Queensland stocks rose 24 cents. Flight Centre shed 12. And the Aussie dollar is worth a little bit more than the greenback.
Weather is next, John. Will we see any sunshine over the weekend?
Well, it's looking okay. Right after a shower or two tomorrow, conditions should improve nicely for Saturday and Sunday. The details are next. Good evening. The Northern Territory can relax again. Cyclone Carlos has weakened to a low, but another system has developed. Cyclone Diane is now well off the Western Australian coast, and back in Queensland it's been another reasonably settled day, the usual passing showers here in the southeast, but we will see more sunshine from later tomorrow, and that'll continue as we get into the weekend. It's 25 degrees in Brisbane right now. Humidity is 68%. We continued with the isolated showers again, and some of the falls were heavy around Brisbane. Toowong, 32 millimetres, 19 in the city, 16 at Mitchelton, and about 1 or 2 around both the coasts. On the Gold Coast, it got to 29 degrees today. Same for Logan, 28 for Ipswich. It was 22 to 28 in the city, 29 for the Bayside suburbs, and 22 to 29 for the Sunshine Coast. Cyclone Carlos is now low. Diane has developed off Western Australia. Category 2 system about 400 k's off the coast, continuing to move in a southerly direction. But back in southeast Queensland, this high starts to get away from us, so the southeast winds will start to ease. So will the moisture. So tomorrow, a few morning showers as we get into the weekend. It'll be warm with probably a fair bit of sunshine around for you. Now, the capitals tomorrow, fine in Perth, rain easing in Adelaide. It'll be fine for Hobart, late rain for Melbourne, a shower or 2 in Canberra and Sydney, some rain easing for Darwin through the day. Northern centres, a few showers and possible storms for Cairns, Townsville and Mackay, maybe a storm for Mount Isa, and also down the coast, a possible storm for Rockhampton, just a shower or 2 further south from there. Mostly fine for Toowoomba tomorrow, just a little warmer too, up around 28 degrees. Now, Moreton Bay, northeast to southeast winds for the bay tomorrow, up to around 15 knots, 10 to 15 knots, with the seas at 0.7 of a metre, offshore 1.7. I've got a shower or 2 tomorrow, probably in the morning, light to moderate northeast to southeast winds, 22 to 30 for the city, and a shower or 2 for the coasts, up around 29 degrees. Mostly fine further west, just an afternoon shower possible in Ipswich with 31. It'll be 30 for Caboolture and Logan. Now ahead, we are going in for a pretty good-looking weekend with mostly fine days for Saturday and Sunday. There's just the chance of a shower, 32 and 33, and then showers and storms for Monday, but expect a warmer day, getting up to 34. And if you're heading for the water, don't forget, before you go, log on to coastwatch.com.au, and that is tonight's weather.
We certainly like the sound of that weekend forecast. Thanks, John. And that's 7 News for now.
Remember, if there's a story you think needs to be covered, head to yahoo7.com.au/Queensland and click on the news tips section. But for now, from all the team, have a very good night.
Good night.